Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can rotate a video on Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, brand kit, templates, and right here, you're going to find your folders. Here, as you can see guys, in the center of your screen, you're going to find create a new video, and here you're going to find create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. Once you click on create a new video, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your video. So right now, we're going to add the video by clicking on import media. Once you click on import media, go ahead and search for the video you want to add from your computer. So I'm going to add this one. And then once you add it, go ahead and click on the plus icon, and then it will be added to the timeline. You can also drag it if you want to add it to the timeline. So once you add your video, go ahead and select it. Then in order to rotate it, just go here to the top. Right here, you're going to find the option to crop the video. You can fill it. And here, you're going to find more options. Go ahead and click on them. And then right here, you're going to find the option to rotate the video by 90 degrees, flip, picture in picture. And here, you're going to find some other more options. So right now, go ahead and click on rotate 90 degrees. And as you can see, guys, this is how you can do it. Right now, if you want to save the video, just go ahead and click on export right here, and then you're going to be able to export your video. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.